Okay, it's Saturday morning about 10 o'clock, and my son and I are about to travel to small town Texas to try and confirm or refute a secret lead that we've got from an informant regarding a hidden treasure trove located in a distant warehouse. So we're about to take off. We're going to travel, and we'll be back in touch. Okay, it's about 12:40 in the afternoon, and we're now traveling out in the middle of nowhere, making our way to the secret location. The informant has told us that we cannot use the cameras when we get close to the destination because he doesn't want its location to be public. So anyhow, we're about probably about 5 miles out, I guess, and we're getting close. So we'll find out if this is a true deal or if this is just another one of those false dreams. Okay, we've made it to the secret location, the lead that we got from our secret informant, and this is kind of the building. It's kind of a brick building, kind of plain, got a lot of growth around it. All right, we're making our way over, and we'll walk in here. We're looking around. Looks like a lot of clutter to me. It looks like, I don't think our lead has turned out to be worth a darn. Doesn't look like any kind of treasure trove to me. Looking around. Whoa, what is that? Whoa. We might be onto something here. What is? It looks like a collection of older cars of some kind. That looks like maybe a Camaro or a Firebird, and maybe another Camaro here. That's definitely a Corvette. It kind of stinks in here. Whoa. Wow, that looks like an old Ford or something right here. Oh, it's a Lincoln. Well, all right, so what do we got here? What are we looking at? That looks like a 70s model Trans Am, some Corvette, another early Trans Am, a Lincoln, like a convertible, Corvette pace car. Let's just take a look and see what kind of... Hey, it's unlocked. I wonder if you can make out the miles. Let's see what the miles... Whoa! 2,100 miles. Plastic. Still in the carpets. Wow. Let's see. What about this Firebird or this Camaro here? It's a SS. I think it says 396 on that. I didn't think Camaros came with the 396 motor in them this year. And the miles on this one, 26,894 miles. Wow. And here's a Firebird, Ram Air Firebird, and it's a Formula 455. Formula 455. I thought these came with 400s. And the miles on this one, what does that say? 36,268 miles. Wow, well, I guess our informant must have not led us astray here. I guess there is a hidden treasure in small town Texas. Wow, this wasn't a waste of our 2.5 hours drive time, that's for sure. Okay, we got to get out of here. Thanks for taking the time to view the video. And wow, this is really an unbelievable collection of old cars.